two major website builders, thousands of users worldwide, but the real question is, which one actually makes your website dreams come true? On one side, there's Jimdo, known for its simplicity and fast setup. On the other, we have Hostinger, with its powerful features and hosting included. We're putting them head-to-head in the tests that matter: ease of use, customization, pricing, support, and more. Let's forget the fancy marketing and see how they really stack up. Each category means points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who takes the crown. And trust me, the winner might seriously surprise you. Let's dive in. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick look at what we're actually comparing today: pricing, ease of use, features, design, and templates, plus support and security. So if you care about, not getting stuck with some clunky site or maybe saving some money, this will help you decide. Let's jump right in. Let's kick off with pricing. Jimdo keeps things super simple. What you see is what you get. Website builder and hosting bundled nice, right? But I gotta say, if you try to set up a full e-commerce store, you'll notice those costs start creeping up. Hostinger, on the other hand, man, they start at like $2 a month. That's wild. There are tons of plans, deep discounts if you sign on for longer. Just watch out for the upsells and the renewal prices that sneak up later. But overall, for your wallet, Hostinger's kind of unbeatable here. Now let's talk about ease of use. Jimdo's drag and drop? Seriously? Anyone can build a site, no code needed. And, they've got this AI site creation, so you basically answer questions and your site is ready. It's super fast, super chill, although if you want real control, you might feel a little limited. Now with Hostinger, you get a slick dashboard and one-click installs even for WordPress, which is awesome. But there's a bit of a learning curve if you start making more complex sites. So for pure simplicity, Jimdo's got it. Moving on to features. Jimdo will cover your basics: website builder, SSL, hosting. But, and this is key, stuff like e-commerce and integrations are pretty basic. Hostinger? Oh man, it's like a candy store of features. WordPress, custom code, free email, plus real deal e-commerce, and legit marketing tools. Just not everything's included. Some stuff costs extra. But overall, Hostinger packs way more punch when it comes to features. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know there are over 1.6 million websites powered by Jimdo? It's not just for hobbyists. That's a serious chunk of the internet. Design and templates next. Jimdo gives you a bunch of modern, mobile-friendly templates, super easy to customize. They all look fresh. The catch? The selection isn't huge. Now Hostinger, especially if you use it with WordPress, has a massive template library. You'll spend more time choosing than building, honestly. The flexibility is amazing, but yeah, the quality goes up and down depending what theme you grab. So kind of a toss-up here. Alright, support and security. Jimdo offers a really solid help center, your basics covered, SSL, and they really push that EU privacy angle, which is cool. But if you want live support, yeah, that's reserved for the pricier plans. Hostinger claps back with 24/7 live chat, daily backups, and actual DDoS protection, which, not gonna lie, is great if you're worried about shady stuff. Sometimes ticket support is slow if you're messaging at weird hours, but overall, more comprehensive here. Gotta hand it to Hostinger. So when you line up all these categories, pricing, ease of use, features, design options, and security, you see a pretty clear shape. Jimdo's totally nailing the beginner-friendly stuff, while Hostinger just keeps stacking up points for its sheer power and value. Alright, let's wrap it up. Here's the vibe. If you need a website fast and hate fussing with tech, Jimdo is super straightforward and, honestly, hard to mess up. If you want room to grow, all the features, and the best deal for your dollar, Hostinger is the one that keeps impressing me, especially when you look beyond just the starter site. So for most users wanting to build, scale, and save money, Hostinger gets my pick no contest. Hey, if this cleared things up for you, hit follow for more expert picks and deep dives into the tools you actually use online. Got your own experiences or questions? Drop them below. We love hearing from you.